All right, so we're gonna build these boxes. I have a used box on the floor here. I already put it together once, took it apart for this video. Start by taking these four corners and ripping off four corners, ripping those little chunks off. I rip mine off in advance, so rip all four corners off by ripping carefully. These you won't need, these can be recycled. And then next we're gonna fold and crease the box in all four of these perforation lines. So put the box upside down, and then fold and crease all four corners. That way the box will fold and be a little more cooperative. And we're going to use some adhesive tape to tape these corners how you want them. Tape we're going to use is a packing tape. If you ever ordered anything off Amazon, a box comes to your house, it takes forever to cut it open. The tape is adhesive tape, same stuff. On the back it's shinier. This is the adhesive side. On the top it's kind of a dull paper finish. So you need 4 pieces of this here. The sub has a roll of it. Just gotta take a chunk and you're gonna cut 4 like about hand-sized chunks of tape for 4 corners. All right. Next, you're going to fold this and crease it. We're going to fold it the hot dog way. So think back to kindergarten class when you do some paper folding. Maybe your teacher says fold paper the hot dog way, which is the long way. And I want to fold the paper or the tape the hamburger way and crease. And I'll show you why in a second. Okay. There's my tape. It's ready to go for the next step. I'm going to use a pair of scissors. I don't have one, so I'm using my cutter. And slice just that much of it, just that one portion of it, just halfway through and stop. Okay. Folded hot dog, folded hamburger, and use a pair of scissors to cut just that little chunk off. Next step is you got to get a paper towel, probably from the wood shop, and then a little bit of water on it to activate that glue. You get a little bit of water on it. Again, if you get too much water, you're gonna make the whole thing saturated. Not enough water, the glue won't be activated. You gotta work kind of quickly here. Okay? All right, here's how it's gonna go. Get my corner how I want it. Take my tape. The cut side's gonna go up, or in this case, to the side. I'm just gonna lay the tape right on my box. That little fold lines up in my corner. Tape should just fold on my fold I made around my corner. See that? And then I'll fold these flap up and over the top, up and over the top, press them in, and I'm gonna press the tape into the box so that glue can really bond to that cardboard and make that corner nice and secure. Okay, try it again. So I have my tape, hot dog, hamburger. It's getting hungry yet? Hot dogs and hamburgers. And then scissors, slice just half. Okay. Paper towel, get some water on it. And work quickly again. Just gonna get your corner set up. Fold, fold, fold. Fold over, fold over. Press it into place. Wait about 8 or 7 seconds. Let that really bond in there. 2 down, 2 to go. When that's done, all 4 corners are done. Take a whiteboard marker. Just put your names in the box. Your name, partner's name. And then these boxes will store. If you look up at the front of the classroom by the whiteboard, look off to the left of the whiteboard is a small hallway called the dark room. Back in the day, they used to do some photography with the high school classes using actual film cameras. Now develop the film in that room called the dark room. Anyways, in the dark room, you're gonna kind of walk in, take a right, and then take a left to a big open room. Set your box in there for storage. Okay, so just gotta take this cardboard, fold and creased, got the adhesive tape, 4 chunks, size of your hand, hot dog fold, hamburger fold, cut, activate it, and glue the corners. Name on it and store it, and that's all for today.